Loving student, I am lecturer Maruf Hussain from Dr. Afsaduddin College, Alamjanga, Chuadanga. And I would like to teach you the tense in very short, or you may say it that in easiest way. You should listen the class with your heart if you want to learn it properly. Now I would like to write something. At first we have to know what is tense. In Bangla, we may say that ঘটনার পূর্বাপর সম্পর্ককে টেন্স বলে. This is the easiest thing for you to understand what is tense. And if you want to elaborate the discussion, elaborate the definition, we should write something. At first we would like to write present tense. What is present tense? You know that tense may be changed by the changing of verb. So if you want to write a present tense, you must have to use the present form of verb. So the present form of verb will carry a present tense and the verb may be changed by adverb. So when you want to write any present tense, you have to keep in mind that you can't use any kind of form of verb that may not be present. So an adverb also will be in present. Like that, I may write I eat rice. I eat rice. This is the form of present. So this verb is a present form of verb. Here we can say verb এর present form a present tense. Present tense. And then if we want to learn the past tense, in this way we have to learn the past tense will carry the past form of verb. So if we want to write a past tense, we must have to write the past form of verb. In this way, if we want to elaborate this past tense, this example will be same, subject will be same and the verb will be same. The eat will turn into ate. So this is the past form of verb and this is the present form of verb. So we can write verb past form a past tense. And then if you want to learn the future tense, in this way you have to learn the basic thing of future tense. A future tense is a tense that is formed with some critical rule. If you want to learn future tense, at first we have to write like that. Subject is equal for everyone. It will take exceptionally the modal helping verb shall or will, and then MVB. MVB, this is called the base form of verb. Most of the writers have written, I have seen in their books, here they have written shall will, then মূল ভার্বের present form or MVP. This is not correct. This is not correct 1%. You may say, are those writers are wrong? I think they are not wrong, but they are not capable or they haven't been capable to clear this. Why? I would like to bring an example. You can clear it. Like that, I shall eat rice. This is future indefinite tense contains, and if I want to lie, he will eats rice. This eats is a present form of verb. And if you want to write according to the structure of those writer, you may write he will eats rice. So this is not correct. So here we have to use the very form of verb. Most of the book written by foreign writer like the British American, they have written the base form of verb as a very form of verb. But most of the Bangladeshi writer like Professor Dr. Sadaruddin, like Dr. Johurul Islam, like Dr. Mamunur Rahman and other scholar in Bangladesh, doctor, they have written the base form of verb like this, the very form of verb. So very form of verb, what is very form of verb? Very form of verb is a form of verb which is without any affix. Without any affix. So this is the pure form of verb. So I think you are totally capable to understand what is tense in Bangla in brief. ঘটনার পূর্বাপর সম্পর্ককে টেন্স বলে, মানে in which the matter or circumstance always happens in present, and present represent the future and present lost the past. So present in always present, and purvapor and after and before. After and before. Before means present and after mean future. So this definition is taken from a philosopher named Hegel. This is the very, very good definition of time and tense. I think you are totally clear. If you have any question, please you will knock me in my ID or you will phone me. Inshallah, I will try to solve it. And I would like to take an exam now. So you will be ready to sit for the exam.